Hello and welcome to Paper Plays Julie K. Thank you for joining me. Today I have a quick and easy tutorial on how to create a vintage tart tin ornament that I created as part of a design team project for Kraft Supplies for You. I used the following supplies and craft tools for this project: tart tin, a digital image, ornament hook, jump rings, acrylic beads, lace and trims, pliers, tweezers, scissors, a hole punch that will work on metal, and adhesives such as hot glue and Fabri-Tac. Now let's get started with this project. To begin with, I will punch 2 holes into the tart tin so that I can later add acrylic dangles and an ornament hook to my finished ornament. I like to center my holes on the top and bottom, punching my hole close to the edge so it is easy to add a jump ring or hook. Next, I take pieces of white eyelash lace from Kraft Supplies for You and cut them in half, as I want the eyelash part to show outside of the image once I attach it. I like to use Fabri-Tac glue to attach the lace, as it takes a little longer to dry, which leaves me the option of manipulating and moving the lace around to make sure that the eyelash part of the lace will show outside of the image once I attach it to the ornament. I then add an image of Santa Claus that has been previously attached to chipboard. I add this image using hot glue. I then attach flat back pearl trim from Kraft Supplies for You. I like to frame the image using this trim. After the image of Santa Claus is framed, I decide to add more pearl trim to the inside grooves or valleys of the tin. I love the extra detail that this step provides. I then add an ornament hook to the top of the tin. I do need to manipulate the wire a bit with pliers so that it can easily attach to the tin. Once the ornament hook is attached, you can reshape the wire if you like. I then attach a 2-hole acrylic snowflake bead along with a clear acrylic dangle from Kraft Supplies for You to the tin using jump rings. To finish my tin ornament, I attach flowers from Kraft Supplies for You using hot glue. I hope you enjoyed this quick and easy vintage tart tin ornament tutorial today. If this is the case, please give me a thumbs up and leave a comment. Thank you again for joining me today, and until next time, happy crafting!